Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, let's start our trading session. Today we got $100 on our balance. Well, try to make some really real money out of this from $2,000 to $4,000. Then we are gonna withdraw them. We've already picked out the currency pairs, and let's start. We choosing our indicators and later. First of all, fractal, MACD, zigzag, and the main one is the RSI. So let's adjust the RSI at the maximum period. Here we put the mark 50, also set the daily chart. We look at the trends here. So I'll try to quickly analyze the market. Basically, there are either uptrends and downtrends on the market. I guess I got it. Flats are also here. Right here we see the sideways trend. Here we see strong downtrend as well. The rising trend, downtrend, uptrend. So basically, and also here the downtrend. I think I understood the chart direction, move back at the period to 14 and add our zones. Also we change the time frame and we are gonna play on a 1 minute time frame and open the 1 minute positions. So, and let's also analyze our trade entry points. Will be crossing the 70 lines on the decline, or vice versa, crossing the 30 line on the rise. In the first case it is a short position, in the second it's a long position. So it's time to start, guys, and select a good currency pair for the most promising trade entry. Well, so far I don't see a good entry. We put the daily time frame again, set the period 100. We'll see once again. So let's remove maximum and minimum zones and see what direction prevails, descending or ascending. And according to this information, define the strategy, guys. So I think we are gonna have more ascending trends. Let's keep this one, remove this one and this one. We keep this. I think these currency pairs would be more than enough. We've come up with them according to the uptrend, and two currency pairs are in the sideways now. I'm good with what we have. We are gonna open mostly long position, I guess, but we also look at the situation, set the period 14, and also here put maximum and minimum zones. Also here we need to change a little. When there is an uptrend we put the maximum 80 and the minimum 45. Here put 60. And let's finally begin trading and find the most profitable currency pair. I think we opened a long position here. Now I explain to you the principle of opening. Select the workspace. We see the crossing the zone 45 on the rising according to the RSI. Also, our points of minimum have updated. We also observe the ascending movements here. Also, the strongest pullback that happened here is first time and the second. Good correction, the price goes to the upside, and based on this fact, we opened long position according to the trend. Today we play on a 1 minute trade. I think this one should end up with a profit. The candle has good dynamics, the crossing from the RSI has already happened, and I guess the position will be closed in profit. And as expected, the trade is in a profit, guys. We got $185 on our balance so far, and we are not gonna stop here and continue our uptrend trading. So and for this we find the most situatable currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. So let's also open a long position here. I explain the principle of entry to you guys. Select the workspace. We see the crossing of this zone on the RSI indicator. The price should go to the upside. Also we see the updating of minimum and maximum point, the uptrend. Here we see the strongest pullback. After that the price should go up. Exactly where it's going now. And also after the third correction right here, the price should go up. That's why we open long position and the price goes to the upside. There are literally 10 seconds left, and I guess this trade should end up in profits. And yes, the position was closed with a profit. We got $300 on our balance. It took us a few minutes to get such result. And let's find another currency pair for the most successful trade entry. So let's continue analyzing. I don't see anything so far. I wanted to enter the trade here, but it's too late. Let's open a long position here. I'll explain the principle of opening. We see the low volatility here, so the breakout should happen. There is move on the RSI up to the middle line, then the price should go up. Also here we see the update of minimum points and the uptrend from this level. After the correction here, and here the price, more movements should keep on going to the upside until it updates the maximum point. I think the breakout should happen on the last second, and our trade should be closed in profits. And yes, we see the breakout and the updating of the maximum point. The price is willing to go up, strong ascending direction. And here we got another trade closed with a profit, guys. We got $640 on our balance in a very short time. And let's choose a good currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's open a long position here, guys. Guess by now the correction and pullback should be over. I'll explain the principle of the trade entry, guys. Here, if you take a look at the RSI, we see the movement like this, I mean the bounce from this level. Here we see the big correction. By now, we also see the strong correction and updating of the minimum points. Zigzag and fractal indicators are clearly showing this, but updating of the maximum point hasn't happened so far. Then the price should go to the upside, that's why we opened a long position here, and I think this trade should end up in profits. There are a few seconds left before the closing. And this trade closed in profits. Congratulations guys, we got $1,200 on our balance. I'm really happy with this outcome. You see that we opened a long position every time, and our settings are set according to the trend direction. Look guys, first of all we analyzed the market properly, selected the currency pairs, and that's why our trades end up in profits every time. Let's find another currency pair and find a good trade entry. Let's open a long position here. What concerns the principle of the trade entry, now look, the maximum point hasn't updated yet. From this level we see the ascending direction, the maximum points must be updated. Then the price movement should go up, that's why we open a long position here. The RSI indicator reached the middle level, not the 80 level, so the price I guess should rise. Also we see the pullback, first one, then move to the upside, and again small correction which enhance the bullish signal. That's why we open a long position guys. As you can see, we observe the breakout and the price movement goes to the upside, and there are few seconds left before the closing, and this trade is in a profit guys. I guess we can open one or two positions to consolidate the result. We got $2,000 on our balance. And now let's find another currency pair for the most profitable trade entry. Let's continue analyzing guys. So let's take a look. And here we also open a long position guys. I think the pullback on this level should be over. We see the updating of minimum points did happen, and the price movement should go to the upside. Select the workspace. There are 11 seconds left before the closing of this candle, and I think that the breakout should happen. We see the updating of the minimum points and the movement is ascending. I think we're done with the pullback in this area. Also RSI shows us the smooth reversal for the rising, that's why we open a long position. However, we open the position not at the best place, but I think the breakout should take place and the trade will end up in profits guys. There are literally 5 seconds left. We see these candles, high volatility, and like I said, our position has been closed with a profit. We got $2,800 on our balance. This is a good result considering we start from $100. I think we can stop our trading session for today. We set these settings today and we've managed to take down the pot. And I guess we withdrew $2,500. So that's the strategy. Next time I'll try to make the video for you guys for the downtrend, because we played only on uptrends and we open only long positions. Thank you guys for watching. till the end and let's withdraw our money, guys. Withdraw. Put $2,500 here and press the continue button, and that's it, guys. Our transaction is being processed. I will attach the screen where it's done as usual, guys. And we got $378 left on our balance. So guys, thanks for watching, good luck on trading, bye bye.